Good day everyone, welcome to this tutorial. On this platform, I teach you how to make, manage and multiply your money. And I also teach you simple strategies on how to make money from the crypto space. Basically focusing on risk-free and beginner-friendly strategy that will help you make a whole lot of money from the crypto space without losing your money. So today, I also want to teach you another strategy that will help you make money from this crypto space. If you have been following me, you will understand that majority of my videos are in series. And then we started a series on scalping, and that is what I want to continue. I posted this video a couple of hours ago, and then a lot of comment from some of my subscribers saying that can't the strategy be done with a lower amount, because in this particular edition I talked about you using over $1,000 and above for this strategy. So but the truth is, before I posted the video, I've also been trying out the strategy on a smaller amount, as little as $5. So I want to teach you what you need to do if you don't have enough capital and then you want to make money using this strategy. You can actually go ahead. So what it means is, no matter who you are, where you are, and where you're watching from, you can make money from the crypto space using this scalping strategy. So at this moment, we're going to go ahead right now and dive into my Bybit, and then we'll set up this trading strategy using as little as $5, and then we'll see how it comes out. So join me as we dive into my Bybit exchange for us to run this together. So now we are on the Bybit section, and once you are here, there are I'm going to be dividing this trading into three, let's say 3 to 4 phases. The first phase now is that you want to move your trading fund from your spot wallet to your derivative wallet, or let's say you bought from P2P, you want to move it to your derivative wallet. I want to believe that we know how to do that already. So let's say you want to trade with $50, you move it into your derivative wallet, and I think that is simple. This is the derivative wallet here. You want to move fund into this derivative wallet. So, all right, so let's go ahead. I click on derivative now. So once I click on derivative now, this is derivative wallet. Now, for me to prove to you that you can do this strategy with little amount, at this particular tutorial, I have just $11 here. In the last tutorial, I have about $3,000 plus, but here I have just $11. So let's see how this works out. Now that you have been able to transfer your fund into the derivative wallet, what you want to use to trade. Now, the next thing now is to look for a trade, to make your research to see if there is trading opportunity in any of the peers. So currently now, if you look at this particular coin, this particular one, this COMP USDT, if you look at this coin, let me go to the chart. Let me go to the chart. Let's go to the chart. Now, if you see the chart, once we open up the chart, now we are using the Bollinger Band and the RSI strategy, but we want to scalp using a small capital. So I hope you get that now. If you have not watched the other video, please go and watch so you understand this particular edition very well. So you want to make sure that you put it on the 1 hour time frame. You get it now. And then we are looking at RSI to be either below 20 or above 80. So then we also want to see that the candle is touching the lower Bollinger Band or the upper Bollinger Band. But from this research we have done on this coin, there is no opportunity. We cannot enter this market because no opportunity. Based on our own technical analysis, we do not have opportunity. So what do? We want to check another coin. Yes, we want to check another coin to see if we're going to get opportunity. So at this point, we want to click this market here. Let's click on market to check other markets. So you can check any. Just click on any and check those three parameters. So I'm going to click on this WLD. Let's see. I'm clicking on WLD. So I've clicked on WLD now. And then on this WLD, I'm checking at the candle, and I realized that RSI is on 1 hour time frame first. RSI is around 30, and then the candle is almost touching the lower Bollinger Band. All right. For me, if I want to really trade this coin, I may have to wait for it. Yes, I may have to wait for it before I click on buy, because at this point I'm going to be buying. It's almost getting to the lower Bollinger Band, but not like 100%. So the market is not yet giving me the green light that I need. So what do I have to do? I need to do two things. Is either I wait for this market or I go check another coin. So let's go back to market and check another coin. So let me go back. Let me check this blue. Let me check this coin. This blue. Let me check this. It's open up. So RSI is currently at 29%. This, and then this is not also touching the lower Bollinger Band yet. It's at 29%. So remember, our target is below 20. So 29%, 29%, and then on 1 hour. So we are still waiting for this. Let me just check 15 minutes and see what is happening. Yeah, you can see on 15 minutes it has already been touching. It's already touching this. But remember, the goal is on 1 hour time frame, not on 15 minutes time frame. So this is what we are looking for on 1 hour time frame. It should be around something like this. So once you see a candle like this on 1 hour time frame, and then the RSI is below 20, you are good to go. All you just need to do is to click on buy. So no signal. We have to check another coin. So let's go back to market. We hope we see another coin. We hope we see another coin. Okay, let's check this one out. This ACA. Let's check this out. Voila. So um, let's check this out. We want to put it on 1 hour time frame. It's on 15 minutes, so you don't need that. Let us put it on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. It's on 1 hour time frame. And then the RSI is 64. Remember, the goal is 60%. The goal is 80%. I mean, from 80 upward, 80, 85, 90, like that. That is a good time. Because imagine by the time the candle was already here, imagine you short at that point, or the candle is already here when it was or just somewhere here around here, you short at that time. So now, if I'm taking this trade, I'm going to be taking this trade based on risk. I'll be taking this trade based on risk because I don't want this video to be too long and I'm still searching for opportunity. So if I should take this trade here now at this point that this candle is here, two things will happen. You see this RSI is on 60. So if this RSI decides to move to 65, 70, 80, I'll be losing money. I'll be losing money because that means the coin is going up. But if the RSI begin to reduce to maybe 55, 50, like that, 45, I'll be making money because this one now is in between. I can't tell, maybe the market will go up or it will come down because RSI is 60. So that means it still has about 40 this thing to go. So, but if it's around 80 or 90, or let's say 90 is doing very good, from 90 now, there's every ability that possibility that it may retrace back to 80. I pick my money. I wait for it to go back to 90. I enter the trade. I wait for it to come back to 80. I pick my money, just like that. But for the purpose of this training, I'll have to just enter this trade on buy. I mean on sell. Yes, I enter this trade on sell just to show us. Because I can't spend the whole day making research. This is a video, it's a tutorial. It's not like I'm trying to make my own trade. I can spend 3-4 hours analyzing, you know. But for the purpose of this training, remember when you are doing yours, you can make sure you target around 80, 90, you know. But you may also want to risk once you see at least this parameter, the candle is touching up. up the upper Bollinger Band, but the RSI is not giving us the signal we want. So, but let's go ahead and then buy. So at this time I want to sell. So I want to sell. I want to I want to sell at this point. So um I just realized that this is on spot. It's actually on spot, so we can't really sell here. So let's go back to derivative and look for another coin. So let me just quickly add this. Instead of clicking this market section here, just use this section. Just click here where this coin is to make your research. You click here. Then these are the coins that are on that you can trade on futures on the derivative wallet. So these are the coin you can trade. So let me see this coin. Let's do research on this coin. Let's research on this coin. Let's research on this coin. See this coin now. It's not giving us what we want. It's just in between. The RSI is 62, and then the candle is not even touching the lower Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band. It's just in the middle. So let's go back and search for another coin. Let's search for another coin. Let's see this this coin. I think this is newly listed. Let's see this coin. So this coin is newly listed. It has been going through the downtrend. So what is the RSI saying? Uh, you can see it's touching the lower Bollinger Band, but RSI is 38. I'm kind of skeptical for this because RSI is 38. RSI is 38. RSI is 30. Let's put it on 1 hour back. RSI is 38. Okay. All right. So we want to scalp. We actually want to scalp this coin. So let me just click on buy. So I'll just teach you what I want to teach you. So at this point, now what you want to do, let me use this coin to just do my demonstration. After you have seen a coin you want, remember you have, this is your total, the money you have in your derivative wallet. You are not using everything. So we are going to use a portion of, let's say you have $50, you can decide to use $10. So for this particular trade, I will just use $5. So I will use $5. So I'm going to use $5. Um, let me change this. Order by USDT. A confirm. Let me put $5 here. So once I put $5 there, the next thing I want to do is to click on buy because I expect the coin. I expect the coin to go up. So let me put market order. Put it on market order, then put it on 5. So I click on buy. So I confirm this. So I'm waiting for it now to pick. You see, it has started picking up. So I'm waiting for it to pick up. Once I have some level of profit, I close it. So I'm waiting for it. Another thing I want to show you, two things. Now, if you are doing yours and you are using much capital, like $50, and you are trading with $100, I mean with $10 or $5, make sure you put this on this X, put it on isolation. Let me pick this trade. Let's see if I pick this trade in profit, the next trade, I'll change this to isolation and then the X. So let's wait for this and see how it goes. So I'm going to end this trade because it's not moving the way I it's not really moving. It's very slow and the parameters are set. It's not for newbie. So let me close this and reset another trade. Reset the same trade again. So I'll just close this trade right now. So um, this is what you need to do. Let me just tell you what you need to do very quickly. So at this point, this place here now, we want to buy. We want to actually click on buy. So this particular place right now, you click on it. I didn't show you this one then. I just went ahead to place the trade. So you want to put it on isolated, not on cross, on isolated. You put it on isolated, then the X, because you're using a small capital, I will advise you can use within 10x. 10x is okay, or 15x is okay. 10, 15x is still is okay. So, but if you're using a bigger capital, you reduce your x. So so at this time I want to use I want to put it on market order. Then I also want to put it, I want to use five $5. So that's what then I click on. I'm not setting stop loss, I'm not setting take profit. I'm scalping. So I just click on buy. I confirm. I confirm it. So you see, it's playing out already. So that is how you pick it. You just pick them. If you want to leave it to grow, you can leave it to grow, or you pick it gradually. And then I set another one again. I set another one. I set another trade again. I set another trade. Using the same parameter. So I click on buy, confirm. So I'm waiting for it to play out. You can see this 6 cents is playing out. So you see my balance. So I only use about half of my capital. I was having $11 something cents. So I just use half. So you can see this is, so I'm waiting for when I can get like 15 or 18 cents, I close. So you just keep doing this and then you keep piling up. Before you know it, you discover that you've made $1, made $2, make $3. So if you are free, you can keep doing it. So it's still going up and down. See, so I want it to come up a little, then I close it, I enter again, pick a little, close it, enter again, pick a little, close it. So I keep doing this, you keep doing this. By the time you do it like this, like 10, 15 times a day, if you are less busy, you make a lot of money. So it will still change. So this is actually good for day traders, for those that have time, you are not engaged with work, you can actually be doing this and be scalping the profits gradually. Just be scalping it gradually. So wait for it to go back into profit. I close and enter again. So waiting for it to go back to profit. To definitely enter profit. So you see, so all you just need to do is give it time, give it time. As it begins to grow, you close in profit to enter the market again. Voila. So you see, so you close in profit. So that's how you keep picking your trades, you know, gradually, gradually. And before you know it, you would have accumulated $1, $2, $1, $2. But the Belgian line is we are scrapping, so it's cents you'll be picking. You can pick 50 cents, 40 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents. By the time you accumulate it, you discover that you've made like $2, you've made like $10. so using your small capital. So that is how to scalp using small capital. So we can also, you can, once you're done, you can also look for another trade, enter another trade, and also milk the trade. So that is how it is, scalping. I don't want this video to be too long, but I want to believe that you get the concept of using small capital. Let me just rephrase what I have said or paraphrase. Number one, make sure you move your money into from spot wallet to your derivative wallet. Number two, when you are trading, use 10% of the money you have in your derivative wallet. Number three, make sure you put it on isolated. Make sure you put it on isolated, and make sure that the X is around 10 to 15x if you are using a smaller amount. But if you are using bigger money, you can just use maybe like 2x or 3x if you are using a bigger amount. But if you are using a smaller amount, you can increase your X a little bit. But make sure it's on isolated, and don't use all of your capital. Don't put all of your capital in the trade. Just use a 10% of it. You get it? So, all right, this is where we're going to stop today. I drop a link. We are starting a trading competition for September. So there is a link just below this video in the description. Click on it and join the waiting room so that you can be part of um, the trading competition. You get it? We want to see how we can grow a smaller account, at least from $10 to maybe $1,000, if not more than that, within a month. So you can join that challenge if you're interested. I'll leave the link in the description below. All right, I'm going to stop this tutorial here. It's taking a lot of time, but I want to believe that you gain a lot of value. Bye for now. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do that, and I'll see you in the next video.